Hello, Debbie and other store locator people. I am going over the settings for the new loading indicator that's available. It's under Settings, Results, and there are a couple settings that need to be enabled. If you are a Premier member, you will have these options. By default, you only see none if you don't have an active Premier subscription. If you change it to circular, you'll have a new loading indicator on the map page whenever a user is searching for locations, whenever the system's processing locations, even on the initial load. By default, the loading indicator will be in the map area, and it's going to be set to the blue on light gray setting. These are also quick save settings, so anything that has the slightly different color is one that you can just change, as you see here, and it will show you that it's saving the setting immediately. There's no need to go up here and click the save button on those. We're trying to integrate that into all the settings, but a little at a time. There's literally hundreds of settings, so we don't want to break things by just changing that immediately. All right, so here's the map, the default layout, and you can see that indicator that comes up. That will fire up whenever it is doing the search for locations. So that's the blue on light gray, and you can pick other areas to display that. In this case, I'm going to display it in the results section. You do have to reload the entire page because there is some JavaScript and some values that need to be passed into this page when it first loads. So while you can quick save these here, your users, or if you're testing with friends, you'll have to reload the page. You can't just hit find locations, it won't change. So that was it again in the results area. It will actually hide the results because they'll soon be irrelevant, and we don't want to show just a small gray bar over the top of the results. It looks a little bit odd, so we chose to hide the full results. And you can also do it over the search area, which can be tricky if the backend doesn't respond. This can be stuck with the loading indicator over your layout, but we provide it as some users may want that experience on their site for the different layouts. So there's the default blue, and there are all different choices that you have here now. So you can go with the red and the ambers and all these other colors on here to change the layout. You can see that's the amber one, and it also works with the different types of views we have available. This is the latest selector for the different type of styles for the plugin. This just styles how the locator renders. So I'm just going to pick this to left styling here, and so you'll get a feel for how it works with different layouts. You could see this is still over the search area, and we can change it, same thing, just to give you an idea what it looks like on the different layouts. So this is for the results area. You can see that there. And then we'll do it the default over the map, which is, I think, going to be the most popular feature. Personally, I prefer that one. So those are the settings. They're also documented on the website. If you go to any of these links and you click on the documentation, you'll actually get the details on what else is available. If you have any questions, you can always get to us in the support forum. As always, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting Store Locator Plus.